And next, if in case of any accident occur, any an event is occur, in that case first we give first aid of that injured person. Okay, now let's start. What is safety and what is first aid? But here first we will discuss about safety. After that we will discuss about first aid. Okay, now actually safety is the state of being safe or conditions of being protected from any harm and other undesirable outcomes. It means which type of things which you harm and affect your body parts, and undesirable means not good for us, not so undesirable means here outcomes means no one wants like that which occur in form of accidents. Okay, now second point is first aid, the immediate help given to an injured person. If a person get accidents, if a person get accident, in that case the immediate help, it means which type of help we can give at the place. It means we can also say a nearest place where we can give first aid. So first of all we should give the first aid means immediate cure. Okay, immediate help, okay, to that person. For example, if a person get accident and he started heavy bleeding, in that case we should provide first of all a bandage. Okay, it means first wash the of that body part and after bandage the of that person part of the body where bleeding. Okay, so first aid means the immediate help given to an injured person before arrival of the doctor. It means different accident occur different places. If we talk about some accident occur at our home, if in terms of if we talk about which type of accident occur at your home, it may be in your kitchen, it may be in your bathroom. Okay, and some accident occur at road, some accident occur at school. So different accident occur at different places. So always follow the safety rule. Okay, so safety at home. Okay, which type of safety at home? For example, here some safety we should follow at home: kitchen safety, bathroom safety. Okay, here kitchen safety means never play with knives, glass and other sharp objects. It means all these type of objects may harm. Okay, if you use, okay, without safety rule. Okay, so just talking about these type of object, if you not use carefully, for example glass, sharp object and other things, if you not use carefully, that type of object make you harm. Okay, so never play with knives, glass and other sharp object. Do not use knives or other sharp tool on your hands. This is especially for children. Children don't know how to use this type of object. Okay, so if you not use this type of object carefully, make you harm. Next is, do not wear nylon cloth in the kitchen because they catches fire easily. Also, this is part of the safety. Always try to wear cotton cloth if you work in your kitchen. because if you use nylon cloth catches fire easily. In case of catches fire your cloth, in that time more dangerous a nylon cloth make more harm. Okay. Next things, always use step ladder to reach the things placed on slabs. Okay. It means if you talk about your kitchen, different things placed in your kitchen in slabs. Okay. It means different places, arrangement also different. So some object place where we can reach easily, we can take of that things easily by using our hands, but some object placed in our kitchen which is not easy to reach. Okay, in that case we should use step ladders, okay, to reach the things easily. Okay, next things, wipe the floor immediately if something is spilled. It means sometimes some things is spread on the floor of kitchen which is unnecessary. We can slide on that time. So always use wiper if some unnecessary things is spread on the floor of kitchens. Okay, so just here talking about some safety rule we should follow in kitchens. And next we will talk about some safety rule we should follow in your bathroom. So if you talk about bathroom safety rules, bathroom safety means always use mat on the floor of bathroom, because maximum time bathroom floor wetted, okay, इसमें भीगा हुआ रहता है, तो वहां पे क्या होता है, फिसलने का चांस बहुत ज्यादा होता है. In that case you should use mat in bathroom. Just talking about safety at home. Safety at home means safety at kitchen, safety at bathroom. After this, we should also follow the rules, safety rules, where safety around the home. It means if we talk about around the home, out of home, here we should also follow the safety rules. Here never leave your toys or other things lying around on the floor. It means we should not leave our toys and other things lying around on the floors, because if you move, walk, in that case you will get injured and make your some body parts harms. Okay, so never leave your toys or other things lying around on the floor. Next things, never take medicines on your own. This is especially for children, because children don't know which type of medicine used for which purposes, which medicines work for what types of diseases and what type of situations. So especially for children, should not take any medicine it's your own, because children don't know use of different medicine for different medicine situations. So never take medicine on your own. Consult the doctor or some elder person which is at your home. It means first you should ask your parents or any elder persons, and you can also take advice from doctors to use of that medicine. Okay, it means always follow the safety rules before taking any medicines. Okay, next things, do not eat exposed, stale or spoiled food items. It means you can see different sweet shop and different shop where some food item placed in open places. In that case, some germs, dust get food damaged, and so in that case always try to use covered food item. Okay, it means do not eat exposed, stale or spoiled food items as they can cause food poisoning. Food poisoning is a disease due to use of exposed food and spoiled food. So always we should. Next things, keep away from the detergent, disinfectants, dyes and insecticides. These contain chemicals. It means if we talk about detergents, disinfectants, dyes and insecticides, all these things contain chemicals which make you harm. Which make you harm in form of skin problem. Okay, so keep away from detergent. Here means keep away from children. So always follow the safety rule to of that type of things which contain chemicals which make harm of our skins. If we take of that things that has chemicals which may also harm internally. Okay, so always keep away from the detergents, disinfectants, dyes and insecticides. These contain chemicals that can be harmful if swallowed and spilled on the skin accidentally. So these type of things which contain chemicals should we keep away from children. So just talking about these type of safety rules follow around the home. So I hope all of you got it fully. All this year discussing safety rules which we should follow at our home, at our around home. So next things we will discuss in next classes. Okay, thank you.